from Honolulu.
Nay,
I'm from Honolulu.
ano nga klase nga Diyos na?
Diyos. My name is Diyos.
Chin, this is not orange juice. Her name is Josh. Ba't pa siya ganun, Nay? Grape juice? No. His name is Josh.
My name is Josh. And I want you to be my girlfriend.
Yes, Chin. Nay. Ngaway ako nakabalo sa nga mo sini.
Oh, my darling. You're Maricar.
Yes. I'm your chatmate.
You're my chatmate.
Yes.
Let me check first.
Yes.
My textmate is so young in your profile picture. But in person.
Me in person.
Why? In person, you're...
Yes, that's me.
No.
Oh, you look our conversation. Oh.
No, I don't believe you.
You're so very handsome in person, ha?
I don't believe you that you're my chatmate.
Do you believe in miracle?
Oh, yes. I believe in miracle.
Yes.
Miracle.
Oh, you believe me because I am Maricar.
No. Maricar is very young in the profile picture.
Oh, don't judge me, ha? Don't judge the book by its cover. Oh.
I think you're not Maricar. I'm sorry.
I'm so young. Wait a minute. Wait a minute, Josh. Don't get hurry, please.
No. Because Maricar, and profile picture of Maricar in Facebook, in Instagram, she's so young. But if you're Maricar, why is that your skin is somewhat like something like crumple?
I will tell you the truth. Just listen to me, please.
Listen to me first.
Oh yeah.
If you don't tell me the truth, nothing but the truth, I will go back to my country.
Oh, no. Don't go back to your country because there's so many plants in the tree. Listen
Just
to
tell
me,
me
Josh.
the truth.
I will tell you the truth.
I will go back now.
No. Just please me. I will bow down on my knees. Please. Don't leave me.
Don't do that.
Don't leave me, please.
Please stand up.
I will quan to you.
Just tell me the truth.
Yes, I will
Just
tell
me
you the truth. I will explain you.
What is that?
My profile in my Facebook is the face of my daughter.
What?
Yes, that's the big mistake. I do it
You
for
mean
you.
you lied to me?
Yes, because nothing to worry. I lie my face, but my heart is not lying to you. Because Josh, you know how much I love you.
You know what? Every time we have a conversation, huh? Every time we have a conversation in Facebook, every day I fell in love with you.
Yes.
Because you send me your picture. You're so young, you're so sexy. But now, I see your face. You're gorgeous.
No. I'm not gorgeous. My flesh is so young. Yeah.
Your face.
Don't judge me. You taught me I'm so old, but I'm fresh inside. You want to look at me inside? You wanna see my inside?
Don't do that. So what will I do?
I will take you home.
You will take me to your home.
Yes.
And why?
To face my daughter. Because my daughter is very beautiful. Because you don't like me, and I want you to know that my daughter is, maybe you like my daughter also. Diba? Don't
Okay.
go home. Don't
Okay.
go home,
Okay.
Josh.
I understand.
Don't go home, please.
I understand.
Please.
All right. Okay. I will go with you.
Yes.
In your house.
You go with me.
Yes.
If you want, if you want also, you can go to my daughter. You will love my daughter, and you can love me also if you want.
You mean I will love two girls?
Yes.
You and your daughter?
Yes, if you want also.
All right. Okay, sige. Let's go home.
Oh, sige,
Let's
sige.
go home now.
Let's go.
Oh.
Thank you, Josh. You bring me chocolate?
Yes, of course.
Oh.
I'll bring very many chocolate.
Oh, thank you.
And I'll also bring your favorite, hot dog yummy.
That's good to me. Hot dog, my tummy. We can go home now.
Let's go, let's go. Let's go.
I feel horny now, Josh.
You mean horny, serbato, right?
No.
What do you mean by horny?
Horny. You ride to the just like a donkey. Horny. Ha tigidig tigidig tigidig. Ha tigidig tigidig. Horny. Nak. Nak, siguro nak.
Ay, nay. Saan naman ang apod ni Manay nga?
Dib si ate mo.
Puti malagi kayo, nanay.
Ay, sus. Nakadali ako sa apam, totoo.
Unsa ko, no? Amo na kining ginahambal ko na ibangab ang gugma sa tigulang daw kaangay sa igi.
Ikaw ba na to?
Tama. Tinood ka, nay.
Preparahe kami sa manamit ni Sudan
Sige,
dito.
nay, sige, nay. Kailan, nay?
Tawagan si ate mo.
tawagan ako, nay.
Ambala si ate mo, pabihisa si ate mo kay maipakilala ako sa iya.
Sige, nay. Dala na, nay. Dali na, nay.
Josh, come in.
Ay.
Come inside. Come with me. Oh, come to me. Come to mama. Come to mama,
All right,
Josh.
okay. This is your house. This is your house.
Yes.
All right. So where's your daughter?
Wait a minute. Ha? My daughter is kaping mainit.
Oh,
Jen! Jen!
you know what? I feel so bad.
Oh.
I feel so bad.
Don't feel so bad.
Because-
Because your bad feeling now is tomorrow is the good feeling. Oh.
Oh, why your hands is on my lap? Huh? Don't do that.
Because my hand is on your lap because I love you.
All right. Okay.
I love you, but you don't love me. So
Okay.
I feel sad also.
Don't feel sad.
But don't worry.
Yes.
Oh, I will bring you my daughter.
Okay. Your daughter has no
Chinchin!
relationship.
No.
Your daughter is single.
No. My daughter is single but ready to mingle.
Okay. Oh.
Nay!
Wow.
Oh, this
She's
is
your
my daughter. My daughter, Chin Chin. Chin Chin, this is your friend, Josh.
Hi, Chinchin. I'm Josh. I'm from Honolulu.
Nay,
I'm from Honolulu.
ano
and-
nga klase nga Josh na?
Josh. My name is Josh.
Chin Chin, this is not orange juice. Her name is Josh. Ba't pa siya ganun, Nay? Grape juice? No. His name is Josh.
My name is Josh. And I want you to be my girlfriend.
Yes, Chin Chin. Nay. Nawaya ko nakabalo sa nga mo sini.
Oh, what did you say? Oh,
Hi, sir.
hi. No, don't call me sir. Just call me Josh.
Welcome to Kim Dolek, Cebu. Chin Chin, klaruhan ng English mo ba? Okay naman, Nanay.
I don't understand.
Where you came from?
I came from Honolulu.
You're
Honolulu.
you're so handsome, you know. I like you.
Oh, you like me? Because your mother lied to me. She told me that she's young. When I get to the Philippines. And when we met, she's not young.
Mother, ha, mother?
She's yours.
Mother.
And she lied to me.
Oh, I get
That's
it. I get it. Mother, don't do that again, ha? Because the other country we will ban the Philippines. Oh, di ba? Nanay,
No.
ano ginawa
We have
mo?
our agreement. We have agreement.
Yes.
We have our agreement with
What
your
kind
mother.
of agreement?
You and me will be together. And I will marry you. Instead of your mother.
Nay, ano ginimo mo, Nay? Nagimo-imo kasi nangaway ko yung kabalo.
So,
Ay,
from now on, I will prepare all our
The papers.
I will prepare all.
Yeah,
we
yeah.
need. Because next month, I will marry your daughter.
Oh.
I will marry you.
Yeah. Yes, that's good, that's good. Chin-chin. Pag-oo na lang, Day. Oo na lang. So very fast, ha?
No, it's not fast.
Why so very fast?
No, that's my decision. If you will not,
I'm not a kind of girl that easy to get. You get it?
if you will not agree with me, in our
No.
in our agreement with your mother,
Your agreement is no good. No good to me.
I will go back to my country. I will go back to my country.
No, please. No, please. Please. Chin Chin will understand later. I will talk to her.
Pasugot na, te. Sige na.
Paano ko magpasugot?
Pala mo,
Hindi ganun ko kumalong mag-English.
at least kahit papano, te, pag makasawa na kanang apam,
Ay,
matubos na natong lupa dira sa likod.
ambot na si nanay, Nagigamit niya. Tsura ko pag dito.
Ang magani nang hambal ko kay nanay gani nga wala ka naghambal og tuod sa apam. Dapat gihambal mo og tuod nga. Ikaw to. Oh,
Iyay, ambot
Te.
Kung
Sige
tani
na, te.
nagpindot man si nanay. Pero, paano na lang abi ni kay... Gulpi-gulpi man abi. Kagusto niya, tana mapakasal na kami.
te, pasugot na lang, te, para...
Wala pa ako ka-practice to.
Sige lang, te,
Wala pa
para
ako
malukat.
ka-practice ba?
Malukat na to ng lupa sa likod, te.
Pamangkot na kung makaya ko bala.
Kaya ni mo na, te.
Ay, ambot Ambot ano paghihimuon ko?
Single bitaw ka, te.
Chin-chin! Sa ayaw at sa gusto mo, pasugot ka na lang. Kaya lang sa aton eh. Basi pa man lang mabago ang pagabuhi ka. Pasugot ka na lang, iha. Basta
Tama, te.
kung hindi ka kabalo mag-English, yes or no lang isabat mo.
Tama, te.
Nay,
Kung dili ni mo makaya, te, singgit ka lang og tabang.
hindi pa na siguro, Pero, kung sa ako lang, abi, nagalang-alang ako.
Te, ayaw na pagalang-alang, te.
Hindi na, Day.
Sayang kayo na, te.
Tsansa mo na, Day.
Sayang kayo na.
Tsansa mo na mahatagan mo kami sa maayo nga pangabuhi. Kag hindi lang sa amon. Kundi pati man sa imo, eh. Tsansa mo na nga makakaon ka sang kalubay. Tandaan mo, ina.
Tama. Tama.
Papa J. Boy Nunoy. Libog naman akong ulo aning ubra ni nanay man. Agad-agad, Papa J. Boy Nunoy. Wala man lang gani may nagkakilala ni Diyos. Wala man lang gani may nagkatising og date. O iba pa, Papa J. Boy Nunoy. Ka na ba ginahambal niya sa English nga getting to know each other?
No, dapat gid. Dapat wag magpa easy to get.
Oo.
Dapat magpa hard to get man.
Tama,
Hard
gina-
to get.